I think this might work. Need to make a little piece right here.
Hi, and welcome back. I think this evening we're gonna be putting in the sides on the bed, that hole we're messing with. I'm gonna try to get that done tonight. My idea is to put a piece of metal diagonal in it, weld it on the front side, and push it over and weld it on the back side. Cut the top of it off, and when we get underneath, we'll cut the bottom of it off. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't, I'm not sure. But yeah, mainly just try to get those pieces in there, and we're gonna do some trimming to make them more straight. That's all I got planned. If we get through that pretty quick, then I'm thinking about making a plate for that vacuum canister type thing. That plastic thing we took out. Just make a simple, I'm gonna try and make it oval shape at the top and bottom. I'll just fit over that with a couple screws and be done with it. Cat's here tonight, so they may make an appearance, but probably won't be too long a video, just mainly getting those sides in and seeing how it turns out. But let's go there and take a look at it.
All right, so my idea is to stick a piece of metal down here, kind of angled, and we'll weld to this front side, and then leave a little bit up here and weld to this back side. And we'll come and cut it off, and then kind of smooth it down. I'll do it for the back side here, and try to do it right here. Got a feeling I'm gonna blow through a bunch of this. We'll just have to see, but need a little bit more grinding when we're finished work. But I think we can probably get these in, hopefully. Well, don't look half bad. Not too bad of a transition. Got some high spots I need to take down, but I think this might work. Need to make a little piece right here. This one is too straight up and down, but I think I can work with it. We still gotta make this one, but my back is killing me right now, so I think I'm gonna call it a night, but I don't think that looks too awful. See, it's gonna go right here, so most of that should be covered. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it's coming. A lot of grinding and finish work to do though.
Well, that's all I got for you tonight. See you next time.